Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kajal long-lasting and smudge-proof. First, let's focus on preparation. Begin by ensuring your eyelids are perfectly clean, free of oils or makeup residue. Next, apply a very thin, even layer of an eye primer designed for long wear. This creates a smooth canvas, helping the Kajal adhere better. Finally, lightly dust a translucent setting powder over the primed area to absorb excess moisture, providing an ideal base for your Kajal application. Now let's move on to the application itself. Choosing the right product is key. Opt for high-quality, waterproof, or smudge-proof Kajal. Apply in short, controlled strokes directly along your upper and lower lash lines. For a more defined and intense appearance, gently lift your eyelid and tightline your upper waterline. This technique fills gaps between lashes, making them appear fuller and ensuring a seamless, long-lasting finish that resists smudging throughout the day. Once your Kajal is applied, the next crucial step is setting it for maximum durability. Take a small, angled brush and a matte eyeshadow powder that closely matches your Kajal color. Gently press the eyeshadow over the Kajal line. This powder acts as a seal, absorbing any remaining oils and creating a barrier against smudging. For an extra layer of protection, finish with a light mist of a long-lasting makeup setting spray, holding it about 8 to 10 inches from your face. To maintain your smudge-proof Kajal throughout the day, a few simple habits make a big difference. Firstly, try to avoid touching or rubbing your eyes, as this is a primary cause of smudging. If you notice oil buildup around your eye area, gently blot it away with a clean blotting paper, rather than wiping. If a touch-up is necessary, reapply Kajal lightly and precisely, focusing only on the areas that need it. These tips will help keep your Kajal looking fresh for many hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.